Learn English parts of speech by reading stories. Rich man, poor man. First of all, we will see to the explanation of the abbreviations of parts of speech that we will be using in this video. For noun, there will be N. For pronoun, there will be PRO, pro. For adjective, there will be ADJ. For verb, there will be V. For determiner, there will be DET. For adverb, there will be adv. For preposition, there will be prep. For conjunction, there will be conj. For interjection, there will be int. And for article, there will be art. And for helping verb, there will be hv. So let's start with the chapter 1, a letter for Mr. Ahmed. One day a postman came to my village. The postman brought me a letter from my son Zan. Now 1 is the determiner, day is the noun, a is the article and the postman is the noun. Came is the verb, to is the preposition, my is again determiner and village is noun. The is article, postman is noun, brought is verb, me is pronoun, a is article, letter is noun, from is the preposition, my is the determiner and son is noun. Is your name Mr. Ahmed? The postman asked. Yes, I said. I have got a letter for you. The postman read the envelope. Mr. Ahmed of the village of Bahar. A letter for me? Who is it from? I asked. The postman looked at the envelope again. From Zan, he said. Now is the helping verb, your is determiner, name is noun, Mr. is the title noun and Ahmad is noun. The is article and the postman is noun. Asked is the verb. Yes, adverb. I, pronoun. Said is the verb. I is again pronoun. Have is the helping verb. Got is the verb. A is an article and the letter is noun. For is the preposition and you is pronoun. The is article. Postman is noun. Read is verb. The is article and envelope is the noun. Mr. again title noun. Ahmad is the noun. Of is the preposition. The is article and village is noun. Of is preposition. Bahar is noun. A is an article. Letter is noun. For is preposition and me is pronoun. Who is again determiner, is the helping verb, it is pronoun, from is preposition, I is pronoun and asked is the verb. The is an article, postman is the noun, looked is the verb, at is the preposition, the is article, envelope is noun and again is the adverb. From is preposition, then is noun, he is pronoun and said is the verb. He gave me the letter and walked away. Sarah, Sarah, I called to my wife. Come here, we have a letter from our son Zan. Sarah came out and looked at the letter. She was excited, but she was also worried. A letter from Zan? She said. Is he alive and well? I'm going to find the school teacher. He can read the letter. There was no school 50 years ago, so I cannot read or write. I live in a small village. The only work is farming. My only son, Zan, left the village 2 years ago, and my three daughters are married. Zan is making a lot of money in a foreign country. Sarah and the school teacher came back. A lot of other people came. Everyone wanted to hear my letter. The school teacher opened the envelope and read the letter.